which of the two video channels, Vimeo or YouTube, is best for social media marketing?
YouTube.
YouTube. Simply because people are already... YouTube is connected to Google, and YouTube is the second most powerful search engine because it's linked to Google. And if you know anything about SEO, you can leverage that attention for people to come to your channel and watch whatever content that you're going to be producing or putting out there. So if you're someone who's really good at fashion, or someone who's really good at dancing, or someone who, I don't know, is really good at knitting, you can create a whole bunch of tutorials or a series based off that content around that. As long as it's content that's educational, empowering, or entertaining, I think YouTube is the best way, or the best channel for social media marketing, or one of the best channels for that type of content for marketing. When it comes to like Vimeo, I think from my experience, Vimeo has been great mainly for like short films or more of that artistic route, because I haven't really seen anyone use Vimeo for any social media marketing. I mean, who knows, things might change, but I honestly don't think it will anytime soon. So if you're trying to market yourself between, and you're trying to choose between Vimeo and YouTube, YouTube's the way to go.